Hey everyone, welcome back to Brave Vlogs. If you're new here, I'm Braylon. And lately, so a little backstory, I've been at school. So like school, And like I like to sing, And sometimes I'm singing like without realizing it, like while doing my work, like really loud. And I don't mean to. And this boy, I'm not gonna say his name because it's his privacy or whatever, but he's saying, okay, so before I start like saying the rest of this, I had Doritos in this bowl, and it was full of crumbs, and my cat just licked the whole bowl. So, as it was going on, so I'm not gonna say his name, but he's like telling me, he's like, when I was singing, so I was singing a Grace VANDERWAL song, I was singing I Don't Know My Name, okay? And he's like, I said, what? He was like, stop it. I was like, why? And he was like, you're creepy. I was like, why is it creepy? He's like, you sound just like her. I was like, what? What? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a video of it. And yeah, that was like a month ago or a few weeks ago. And yeah, I still haven't made a video. So here I am today. This video is, do I sound like Grace VANDERWAL? Now, I'm gonna have you guys comment down below if you can, if I do sound like her or I don't. I don't know. So I'm gonna show you Grace VANDERWAL singing.
I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying. Just trying. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nice.
Sorry guys if I changed positions, but I have to be able to see the karaoke. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game, so you say. I'm just trying, So I heard you are my... So yes guys, that was my video, so comment down below. Do I sound good? Or do I sound like Grace VANDERWAL? So yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video.